Healthcare professionals are always talking about cleaning between teeth. The reason is it's your lowest risk way of improving your gum health long term as well as any dental work. There's a hierarchy as to different methods you can use. Let's go through each one in turn. First one is interdental brushes. Metal wire surrounded by a bristle brush. They come in different sizes and the major brands are TP and Curaprox. This is the most strong evidence-based supported approach to cleaning between teeth. And the next one in line is floss. Tape that you go between your fingers and you can pass it through the teeth to dislodge anything that's stuck between your teeth. The problem is it takes some dexterity to use, so you've got to be quite good with your hands. If you're not so good with your hands, you could use Floss Picks. This is a wire or a floss suspended between two forks. The only problem with it is you don't have much tactile feedback, so it's not perfect.